So for this, we need to create sort of any calculation. So you don't have to go much calculation and everything. So best to do that, just use the Rankx function. And suppose, obviously, if you wanted to rank something, there is a criteria. So your criteria you can follow, but how to use this function I can tell you. So use rank x, and use table expression cells table. I want that expression. Sum x. Why I'm giving sum x? Because I want each category to be summarized total. So the cells table, and I want it will automatically rank it. And now I want to do top three rank. So what you need to buy totals against total cells. So you can just select the product category, which is that. So this here coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want that one is ranked by 5. So you can also do that by summary. So you need to filter it. If you want, you can filter it out also. So let's pass in variable rank B, and now here you can write down the formula where total total cells against rank x, rank is less than equal, and then let's say the calculation is done. Just wait to calculate that and send. So sorry. So in calculate we need to pass the filter cells table, then cells table less than equal to 2. So the cells table sum x by cells. So filter total cells. Why entire bracket was missing? Okay, I mistake that bracket was not given to that. So what I calculated the rank first, then I calculated the font a little bit. Now variable and pass their value this. Then what I did, I calculated the total cells against filter rank to return cell. And now let's pass it the value here against the this. Let me pass it out. It little bit running in background. So product. Okay. Now select that filter pane, and I want to do top in by this value, and top 2 and top 3 apply filter. See this. If you want to change to top 3, you can write top 3, you will see the display value. Accordingly, you can change it. If you have any question, so let me talk about the sum part. I told sum part, so you just total and sum that you want. So say total the sum, and it's a normal function. We just pass it and give it to them, and after that, just pass the value. Normally, you can just drag it. So your total cells, you can control that also if you want. And if you don't want to give this, you can pass it well next to rank it. So this condition also you can pass it out if you want. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button. Thank you so much.